everyone, I'm back. And so yes, last week I had a fever and entire week I did not work. So but I think it's important to fill your cup first. So I decided this week I'll go ahead and do double work, whatever I need to do, right? And that's what I decided, because last week I was completely off, and that's why I uploaded some pics as well. Yes. Also, in morning I was listening to a book about minimalism, and few things I shared before as well. Also, I realized that I'm not a minimalist, so I want to clarify that. So yeah, because earlier I thought like minimalist wear black, white, and gray, and of course you guys know I'm a very colorful person. So though I'm decluttering, but yeah, I'm not a minimalist. I love to buy great stuff, and yes, I buy less stuff, great stuff, and I'm decluttering. But yeah, I love to buy good stuff as well. And I think for me, money is great motivation. And I think, if I like something, and if I see something, a beautiful dress, and then I set a target, okay, then I'll go ahead and earn 10x first, and then I'll spend 10% on that dress, right? So I think to me it's a motivation, right? So I think it's good to wear good clothes, you look good, you feel good, and I don't mind repeating as well. So of course, if I'm buying a good stuff, why I will just wear it for once or twice, right? So I don't care what others think. I love to buy good stuff, and so I repeat again and again, and I don't mind repeating as well. Okay, and yes, that's what I want to share, that I'm not a minimalist, because I was listening to a book, though I think whenever we listen to any book, we can take whatever we like, and we can leave whatever we don't like, right? Of course, we won't agree with everyone, and everyone have a different meaning of success and happiness, right? So you can see like what match according to your definition, and what is your definition of success and happiness. And I think my definition of happiness is being truly happy in doing whatever you're doing, right? Like I wore this dress, I wore makeup, and now I'm inspiring you guys, so that makes me truly happy, right? So my mission in life is to be happy and spread love and happiness. So that's what my mission is. And yeah, I think everybody have a different version of happiness and success. I think if you're truly happy, you are successful. And yes, I do love money as well, and I think money is great motivation. You can buy great stuff with money, you can travel the world, whatever you want to do. Also, along in my journey, I have realized so in last 3 years I have not spent much money. So in those 3 years I realized that for your basic needs, if you want to eat high vibration food, you need money for that. If you want to hire a great trainer, or if you want to work out, you need money for that, right? So money is great thing, and money can do wonders, right? So yeah, so I think money is a great motivation. That's what I wanted to share. And I think in my life I set a target, like if I love something, and if I love something and I think I can go ahead and buy that thing, then I keep that thing in my wish list, and then I motivate myself, okay, I have to go ahead and earn 10x first, so that I can go ahead and afford that dress. Or same, if I want to go for some beautiful place, then I see how much it will cost, and then I earn 10x first, and then I go ahead and spend 10% on that, right? And I think it's absolutely okay. I have full right. And yes, and also I don't like men with scarcity mindset who think that girls should not spend this and that. We earn, we spend, oh, what's your problem, right? And how wonderful. And I believe if we girls can buy more, we can sell more as well. How wonderful, and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye, take care, guys.